Hello everyone, this is the Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today's video is for all those beginners who want to know about business analysis. If you are interested in kickstarting your career as a business analyst, but have no idea where to begin, this video will surely help you. So, without any further thought, let us start the session. Now, let us take a look at the agenda. In this particular session, I will be starting the video by briefing you on who is a business analyst and then continue to know the roles of business analysts and business analysts' responsibilities. Let us now see who a business analyst is. Who is a business analyst? One can define a business analyst as that person who acts as a liaison between the IT company and the management team and finds ways to streamline the entire business process. He or she communicates with different departments in an organization and recommends solutions. The main reason why business analysts are in demand is that their job cannot be automated. BAs have a detail-oriented mind and are always involved in analyzing. Their minds are continually thinking through questions about activities they observe. Hence all the work is done manually. Business analyst role. A business analyst is a multitasker responsible for performing many tasks. The primary function includes generating ideas, developing them, and then implementing them to reach their goals. A business analyst is required to communicate among stakeholders. Communication with the uppermost position or top management of the company is an essential role. On the other hand, he needs to interact with the company's marketing department, finance and accounting department, sales force, the production department, and the human resource department as a part of this job. The job of a business analyst is dynamic. The position of a business analyst differs from company to company according to the organizational goals. Some of the tasks assigned for a business analyst is understanding the business norms by determining a suitable way to improve the existing business processes. Then, business analysts have to implement new features by analyzing whether the implementation benefits the company, and then they need to identify the ways to make the analysis easier. Now that you have the roles of a business analyst, we shall look into some of his responsibilities. A business analyst's role may vary, but some of a business analyst's responsibilities will never change. Along the journey of a business analyst, their responsibilities increase gradually. They are mainly responsible for increasing business efficiency. Many companies hire these professionals to solve problems, set new objectives or goals, and reach the expected results. Many others also rely on business analysts to carry out their responsibilities and effectively use their skills for the best results. The key responsibilities of a BA include understanding goals and problems, identifying the multifaceted organizational problems and opportunities for improvement in business operations and processes. Understanding the intricacies of a project is very crucial for business analysts. Meeting the organization's requirements. Eliciting relevant documents and requirements. Elicitation of requirements, and using those requirements to get the IT team on board, and understand what the client wants. That's one of the most significant responsibilities for BAs. It is also extremely critical for any BA to effectively document the findings where each client's requirement is efficiently mentioned, and nothing is left amiss. Analyzation. The most important responsibility of a business analyst is to analyze the information collected in a detailed manner. When a BA reviews the elements in detail, the analysis phase asserts what the business needs to do to achieve its goal. During this stage, the BA will also be required to interact with the development team and the technical architects, which brings us to the next responsibility, communicating with a broad range of people. Communication. The next responsibility is to interact with the business stakeholders and subject matter experts to understand their problems and needs. As a business analyst, it is essential to create and deliver quality presentations. A good business analyst also needs to dedicate countless hours, actively communicating back and forth. They need to listen and recognize verbal and nonverbal data. Implementation. The next responsibility is to devise strategies, to design new systems or modify existing business systems or processes. The business analyst's most important job is to spend time identifying multiple options for solving challenges and then helping pick the best one. A business analyst makes specific IT recommendations and supports the IT team in the implementation. I hope that this training video helped you by giving you all the information you were looking for. Thank you.